All right, good afternoon, everyone. This is Teacher Joanne from 2 Minute Maths, and we're here to solve another one-step part whole addition model. And this problem is great for grade 1 and grade 2 students. And this is the one with the birds. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's go. The problem goes on the fence. There are 4 blue birds, 2 yellow birds, and 1 green bird. How many birds are there on the fence altogether? Okay, so what we'll do is first we'll have to show, a graphical representation or a picture that represents a problem. So we have here, we have the fence and we have the blue birds, the yellow birds, and the green bird. Okay, and then we are going to move one step forward and to draw a bar model representation of the problem. So we have to read the sentences one by one. And I'll do this since the sentences are quite long. I will do this. I will even divide the sentence into parts. So the first part goes on the fence. There are 4 bluebirds. And I will ask the kids to, okay, let's draw the bluebirds. So this rectangle represents the bluebirds. And to represent the number of birds, I will have a bracket here and put the number 4. Okay, now the second part of the sentence reads 2 yellow birds, right? So 2 yellow birds. So we will draw another bar model, and this one labeled as the yellow birds with 2 as the number of quantity. Notice that the rectangle of the yellow birds is less than the rectangle of the blue birds because 2 is less than 4. So the way we draw the length of the bar model is important. And then the last part of the sentence is and 1 green bird. So what do? We draw another rectangle labeled 1, and this will be our green bird. Okay, and then the last sentence goes how many birds are on the fence altogether. So that is a question, so we have to put a question mark and we have to label what is being asked. So how many birds are there on the fence altogether? We label from one end of the blue birds to the other end of the green birds. Okay, so here what are we going to do now? So there are 3 parts here in our model. We have the blue birds, the yellow birds, and the green birds. Are we going to add them or subtract them? Okay, since we're looking for the whole, we will add them. There are 3 parts here, so we have 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7, and the answer is there are 7 birds on the fence altogether. Alright, so thank you so much for joining me today. This is Teacher Joanne from 2 Minute Maths, making maths short and sweet.